Hello. Today I'm going to be trying the Hungry Jack's Mega Brisket Burger and the Jack's Fried Chicken's Southern Style Tenders. I've been wanting to try them since they've just come out. Sound like they're going to be good, and I can't wait to try it. See, I've got a Coke no sugar as my drink. I'll put that on the floor. See, I've just been previously just walking around park in Riverside and use the workout equipment, fitness and strength up. So now I'm trying some Hungry Jack's. Yeah, I tried to go to Hungry Jack's in South Launceston, but unfortunately it was shut and there was some technical problems with their systems and all that. So then drove to Mowbray to try there, and yep, they were open, and I was finally able to get my food, and now I'm gonna try it. Right, so the tenders in here. I'll show you guys. Oh, they look good. Yep, got the 5-pack. So I got some chips as part of the meal. Their chips are definitely better than Macca's chips, that's for sure. Oh, and got the big brisket burger to try that. A few chips. Oh, I got a nice barbecue plum sauce. I would have liked honey mustard, but unfortunately they didn't have that. So let's have to open this up. Put you guys down for a bit. Oh, the sauce is nice. Just lick the lid. And try a tender by itself. Pretty nice. Sure, the flavour and the coating is pretty good. Try it with some sauce. This with a barbecue plum is definitely nice. Good combination. Back again for more. Very nice. It's good with the chips too. And try the tenders. Now going to try the Mega Brisket burger. It's open. Look at that. Oh, see from here, but looks pretty good. Patties and cheese are nice brisket fillets, and it's good. Wait to try it. Very nice. Definitely really nice. Good burger. Brisket's pretty good. Barbecue sauce and mayo. I need 2 hands of this, so I'll be right back. I'm just going to eat this delicious brisket burger and tell you how good it is. Yeah, this is a pretty good burger. Mess, but very delicious. This is a good burger. Last bite. That was a good burger. Would so recommend. The tenders are real good too. So on to the rest of my meal and see you all in another video.